all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead.